Hi all. In this video, we are going to discuss about self-referential structures. So what are self-referential structures? So as the explanation goes like, structures that have one or more pointers which point to the same type of structure as their member. That is, a structure will have a pointer member which will be pointing to the same type of structure. Say for example, a structure A will have a pointer member which will be pointing to structure A. This is called as self-referential structures. Say for example, we have a structure called person which contains the other members' height and weight. In addition to it, it has got a pointer member link which is pointing to the same type of structure. That is, the structure person contains a pointer member which is pointing to the same type of structure person. So person is a self-referential structure. So it references itself. So say for example, where do we use this actually? We know pointers hold the addresses. Now this pointer link is going to hold the address of a structure person. Say I wanted to order the persons. Person 1, after that person 2, after that person 3. So these cases, I can go in for self-referential structures. If you want to find out which person will come after which person. So all these things can be done using a self-referential structure. Let us take an example program here. As we saw in the previous slide, we have a structure person. We have height and weight as float members. And we have a link pointer which is going to point to the same structure person. So a self-referential structure. Okay. So now this program is a very simple program which is creating two structure person variables, person 1 and person 2. And person 1 is going to point to person 2. That is, person 1's link is going to point to persons 2. This is what we are going to do now. So we are going to create two persons. So struct person, person 1 comma person 2. Then I'm just assigning person 1 dot height equal to 160. So what are the members of person 1? Height, weight, link. And similarly for person 2 also. So person 1 dot height equal to 160. Person 1 dot weight is equal to 55. And person 1 dot link equal to null. That is, this link is right now pointing to nothing. So I've created a structure called person 1 with the height 160, with the weight 55, and the link is going to be null. Similarly, person 2 dot height equal to 170, person 2 dot weight equal to 65, and person 2 dot link is equal to null. So we have created two person structure variables, person 1 and person 2. Okay, so person 1 dot height, person 1 dot weight, person 1 dot link. Link is a pointer. So pointer is going to hold the address. Right now it's not holding any address, so null. So person 2 dot height, weight and link. Now I wanted to do this. So this structure is separate. This structure is separate. Now I wanted to make this person 1 link point to person 2. Okay. So how do I write? Person 1 dot link equal to address of person 2. Right? So person 1 dot link equal to ampersand person 2. That is, I'm assigning the address of person 2 to person 1's link. So now till this statement, what we have did, we have created two person structures and the link is null for both. Then what is that we're doing here? I'm assigning the address of person 2 to person 1's link. Right? So person 1's link is pointing to person 2. Now, I wanted to print 170 and 160 and 65. How do I do it? What is it? This is person 1 dot link is this, right? Arrow height. So what is person 1 dot link? Person 1 dot link is going to hold the address of person 2, right? So person 1 dot links height. Person 1 dot links weight is going to be this, correct? So person 1's link is going to be this address, and link is a pointer. So we have an arrow operator to access its members. So person 1 links height is this, person 1 links weight is this, right? So we have seen here, we have created 2 person structures and we have made person 2 address assigned to person 1's link. So I can say person 1 dot link is this, right? Arrow height, arrow weight. So this is what are called as self-referential structures. Hope you understand this. Have a great day.